Okay, hey everybody, it's Mr. Sonnenberg again. I'm here to do the final installment in our bonding videos. This is for honors only. It's on covalent bonding. Um, Actually, I'm going to show you the answer key to the chart at the top of the worksheet from yesterday. If you were in class, we went over this, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you the answer key. If you weren't here, I asked people to go ahead and do it, and then I showed everybody the answers. But if there's any questions about any of this, you should bring it to my attention. I'm guessing at this point that filling out number of protons, electrons, valence electrons, and in turn the number of electrons to fill the outer shell should be pretty easy for you at this point. But again, if you're not understanding how I'm getting any of these numbers, be sure to come speak to me about that. All right, as for how do we do these, this is not ionic bonding. There are no electrical charges. This is simply a sharing of atoms. So the way to complete these problems is we start with hydrogen, and because hydrogen is an atom that has just the one valence electron, and I'm telling you ahead of time that we're going to share them, you're going to need two of them. So go ahead and draw this in a different color so it's easy to kind of differentiate. So I'm going to go ahead and write two hydrogens right now, and there's the two electrons. So the idea that you have to get right here, or wrap your brain around, is the fact that this hydrogen is going to share an electron with this hydrogen, and vice versa. And so collectively, and I'll draw in blue here with a real thin line, so collectively they have a full shell. So you have a full shell here, and you have a full shell here. And what you get is this H with a bond. We draw it this way. And then we go ahead, the final step, and we write H2, which is the gas, hydrogen gas. So let's try the second one. The second one is hydrogen and oxygen. So we're going to turn my cursor here to black. And we're going to draw a hydrogen here. We're going to draw a hydrogen here. We have one electron from each of them, and then you have an oxygen. Now this is where it gets a little trickier. Yeah, that should work. I think we actually have the same one, so we're good here. So we're going to draw an O. Okay, now we have an O here, an O here. That's two, but it's got six valence. So there's two of them. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now if we go back to our circles that we need to draw, oxygen has borrowed one from each hydrogen, so it's got a full shell. This hydrogen has got a full shell, and this hydrogen has got a full shell. Collectively then you have water. H2O. And there are the first two problems that we worked on. I may have gotten the next one ready. I think the next one was Cl. You combine two Cl atoms together. And the next one after that was O2, and it was two oxygen atoms involved in a double bond. So hopefully this at least gets you started. You can give the other 4 or 5, I think, remaining on the homework a try. And if you have any questions about it, be sure to come see me tomorrow morning before first hour starts. All right? And thanks for watching.